Next time on DevCentral Connects, fill your eyes with a double feature, a pleasant surprise for a special 2-hour DevCentral Connects event, Tuesday, December 1st, 8 a.m. Jason and John welcome Tyler Hatton from Worldwide Technology for this hands-on workshop to learn how HashiCorp Terraform can be utilized to provision and manage an F5 application delivery and security infrastructure. For this Lab Live day, we'll be working our way through the F5 WWT Terraform Lab, and you can choose your own adventure. Register for the lab and walk through it with us, or just join us on the live stream to follow along. The included links reserve your spot for the special Tuesday DevCentral Connects edition. This will be a good time, not that long to wait. You want to stick around, terraform it straight.